Notting Hill Carnival. Somebody on my mother. Why solution?
Listen, if you guys seen our videos before, then you know the boys are late. Where are they? Where are they? Come on, come on. What's good? The other guys are downstairs taking the dump.
Bro, you look lighter. Let's go, let's go.
So,
Let's go and buy some bits, innit?
first, everyone squeeze like sardines on the train right now. What's the reason for coming to Carnival?
I'm going to distribute books about Krishna.
Okay, nice, that's good.
You want a book? Oh, that's a live stream or something?
No, it's not live stream, it's vlogging. Yeah.
Where?
Just spreading the word on my YouTube channel.
Oh, very nice. So you can make some advertisement.
Of course, please.
Okay, so Krishna is the supreme personality of Godhead, and he's also the source of all pleasures. So if you chant Hare Krishna, your life becomes perfect. You can also follow us, follow our Facebook page. Can I do that?
Yep, go for it, go for it, go for it. Support
You can follow our Facebook page, Expand the Bliss London, and you can find out more about Krishna. Hare Krishna.
Yep. Hare Krishna, guys.
Follow Stafa is live. Hare Krishna.
Follow Stafa is live. Hare Krishna, you heard that right? Here you get all walks of life. You get everyone international from different parts of the bloody countries. Different nations. Last time it was what, around 2 million people here. Now there is, who knows, police secure in the area. We're pretty late. So Sunday Carnival is supposed to be for kids. What finished long time?
Carnival for kids. Big people think every day.
Everyone out here hustling, making their monies. I'm sure the prices for the flags are like triple the price, but hey. You getting these? Yeah. What part? What part of Guyana? Okay. Hello. Well, the Filipinos know how to set the mood. You got sugar? You got unlimited drinks up there after you are paying for the t-shirt. So this band is called Aber. They said that we have to look after 850 people. Judgment Day is coming. Yeah.
By fire! By fire!
Hallelujah!
The days of pain are coming to an end. Judgment Day is coming.
Yeah!
I know you from somewhere.
From where? Where you know from? You don't know me from nowhere.
Abir, we have a truck on the road. Let's go. We have a truck on the road. Get it on the name for a truck on the road. We have a truck on the road. 1, 2, 3 on the road. Put your arms in the air, make some noise.
area for men is easy. For the women, they've got to wait for a long line. So I'm gonna go to the corner, take a piss. That's how it goes. Stafa is live in Notting Hill Carnival. This is how we do it. In the corner, we take a piss. This section here right now are the judges. They decide if we are the good band or not.
There's an MP. There's an MP, Diane Abbott. Which Diane Abbott?
So we've got the MP of West London.
Yeah, South London.
So right now, no one's throwing no dust or paint. No idea. You got the cameraman rolling. I'm doing the security work right now and I have to kick these two little kids in front of me. Well, we finished the Sunday carnival. Right now everyone's eating the roti.
Captain Morgan's.
No, that's nothing. That's like water. Water in a glass bottle. No one need to see nothing. See, there you go. See, water. Oh shit! I'm late. Carnival part 2. I'm late.
We're super late.
We're so late. We're late.
I don't mind.
Kevin. Let's go.
Welcome.
Dinner time. I mean lunch. Breakfast. We made it. Stafa is live in Notting Hill Carnival. I think there's been an accident. Looks like someone's been stabbed.
What happened? Happy birthday to Zion. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Jiggy. The jiggy birthday. Hold on, the jiggy birthday to you. birthday to you.
That's all I was thinking. So I'll tell you.
What's up, guys? Carnival is now finished. I'm on the truck. Everyone's exhausted. I can't blame everybody. I'm exhausted myself. The person that's been running this town is...
Listen, I'm on my family band. I'm having a great time. We've had the best time. Stafa and his crew have represented, looked after us nicely, and we're all just waiting to go home nicely. We're all good. 2023 NHC, nice.
Oh, what's the name of your band?
Dragons Band, come with us.
Don't miss Dragons Band. If you guys want to get involved, get involved.
Lovely.
Hold on, some girls fighting, yeah? And you know what happened? There's a wig, someone, yo, Felicia. Yo, is that your wig?
You with me, I know.
Is that your wig? Oh shit. Is that your wig? Nice, is that your wig? Oh, it's the black girl. Hold on. Hey, Felicia. Whose wig is this? The black girl. Oh, let me give it to her. Oh, she got a cap on, that's why. It's expensive still. Sister, it's your wig. Take it. It's expensive, take it. It's not cheap. You gotta go packs again. You gotta go packs. No worries, put it on. Put it on. Put it on. Let's walk. Yeah. Where's the other girl? Listen, you just slapped somebody up. Where's the wig? Where's the wig?
Go that way to the stage.
Yo, where's the wig from Pax?
I said from Pax.
It's expensive.
She don't want it, man. She don't want it.
What do you mean she don't want it? Listen, take it, put it in your bag. Put it in your bag. Yo, they're not expensive. Huh? What's that?
That's your wig up in the air.
Listen.
Let's go, let her go.
Yo, wait, you need to go home or you gonna get ready?
Let's let them go home, man. Let's let them move, man.
You got Mandem on my left. All posted on the wall. Everyone's on balloons. Canisters everywhere. Everyone's staring.
You're here.
You got the police on my right hand side. Everyone socialise, enjoy themselves, moving to girls. All of that good stuff. Yes, brother. But apart from that, don't forget to subscribe. As usual, Stafa is live. Don't forget, leave a comment if I've missed anything specific, or if there's anything you want to see next year, because I'm going to be there. And I hope you guys be there too. Peace.